同学们，大家好，欢迎再次走进 Areteem 数学魔法课堂。
Welcome back to the Areteem Institute of Mathematics.
上一集中，我们有两位魔法师 Cameron 和 John 一直在争论不休。争论的是什么呢？就是万圣节和圣诞节这两个节日之间，到底哪个更好，哪个更有趣儿？最后的答案你们看到了吗？
Although I still like Christmas, Dr. Wong has convinced me that from a mathematical point of view, Halloween and Christmas are equal.
这个答案不懂数学的同学肯定想不到，因为我们是从完全不同的角度来看这个问题。下面呢，我们就请丈魔法师为我们讲解为什么万圣节等于圣诞节。
Let's start back at the beginning. We are all comfortable working with numbers, but do you remember exactly what they mean? For example, think about the number 465. Notice how I say it. 465.
好，我来翻译一下。我们从最基本的开始讲。数字呢，大家都熟悉，可这数字到底代表什么意思呢？举个例子来说，465， 4在百位，6在十位，5在个位。
We call this system the decimal or base 10 system. It uses the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 9. It has place values, ones, tens, hundreds, etc. So why do we use base 10? Well, think about when you first learned to count. You used your fingers to help you. Since we have 10 fingers, we use base 10.
我们所熟悉的这个系统叫做十进制，英文呢叫做 decimal， 是用0到9这10个数码，然后在数位上来讲呢，就是个位、十位、百位、千位，以此类推。为什么要用十进制呢？想一想我们小时候学数数的时候，掰着手指头数，1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10，10个手指头都用完了，你就得再加一位了。因为我们有10个手指头，所以十进制最方便。
If we were on a planet where people had more or less than 10 fingers, we probably would have grown up using a different base. What if we only had 2 fingers? Can you think of a world that only uses 2 fingers? I'll give you a hint. It's closer than you think.
好，我来翻译一下。假如我们生活在一个星球上，每个人的手指头呢多于10个或者少于10个，那种情况下，我们很可能就得用一个不同的进位制了。能不能想象只有2个手指头呢？你能不能想象一个世界只是2个手指头用到了？这个我们的丈魔法师给了你一个提示。哎，丈，上课你为是用手机干啥？
Sorry. But in fact, your cell phone is a computer, and the world of computers is built on the binary or base 2 system. The binary system is easy to use because you only have to represent 2 symbols, on, off, high, low, long, short, or 0, 1.
好，我来解释一下。手机呢是电脑的一种，电脑的世界用的是2进制。2进制在英文叫做 binary。2进制的优点在于简单，只需要2个符号就可以了。比如说开和关，高和低，长和短，0和1。
How do we count in binary? 0, 1, 2, wait. Remember, 2 is not a digit. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, etc. And the place values in binary are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. All the powers of 2.
我们要是用2进制来数数呢，就得从0、1、2就没有了，所以呢是0、1、10、11等等等等。这各个数位呢，也不能是个十百千了，个位还是一样的，但是上一位就得是2，再高一位呢代表4，再高一位代表8。
Let's see an example. What about the number 1101? We would write this as decimal 1101, which means 1 times 1,000 plus 1 times 100 plus 0 times 10 plus 1. Or in other words, 1 times 10 cubed plus 1 times 10 squared plus 0 times 10 to the first plus 1 times 10 to the 0. What if we would write down 1101, but instead wanted it to be a binary number? In binary, 1101 means 1 times 8 plus 1 times 4 plus 0 times 2 plus 1. Or in other words, 1 times 2 cubed plus 1 times 2 squared plus 0 plus 1 times 2 to the 0. Or in this case, 8 plus 4 plus 1, so this is the number 13.
好，我们来看一个例子，1101这个数，如果是10进制呢，就代表1101；如果是2进制呢，就代表13。
What if we want to convert a number from decimal to binary? Well, remember that our place values in binary are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. So, if we want to convert the number 21, or decimal 21, into binary, we can write 21 equals 16 plus 4 plus 1. Or, in other words, 1 times 16 plus 0 times 8 plus 1 times 4 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 1. Or in binary, we'd write this 1 0 1 0 1.
如果要把一个10进制数换算成2进制数，就得反过来，把10进制数分解开，21就变成了10101。
Now we have a joke for you.
我们来给大家讲个小笑话。
There are 10 types of people in the world.
世界上有10种人，
Those who understand binary and those who don't.
一种人懂得2进制，另一种人不懂2进制。
Of course, by 10 here, we mean 1 0 or 2. And by now we hope that you are the type of person that does understand binary.
当然，我们现在说的10就实际上代表了2，所以我们希望呢，你懂了这个只有2种人，而你呢，就是那种懂得2进制的人。
Although computers have no trouble understanding base 2, numbers in binary can get very long, which is often hard for people to understand. So computer programmers often work in octal, or base 8, using the digits 0, 1, 2, up to 7. Numbers in octal are easier to work with, but they can also be easily converted to binary because 2 cubed is 8. Counting in octal goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, etc.
计算机用2进制是没问题的，但是2进制数一般来说都太长了，我们人类就很难看得懂，所以对电脑工程师来说呢，用8进制就比较方便，因为8刚好是2的3次方，所以8进制和2进制之间的转换就比较方便。刚才呢，这在教大家用8进制来数数，0、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、10、11、12、13等等等等。
Similar to the binary case, it is not hard to convert numbers from octal to decimal. Recall the number 465 from before. Remember, the 465 meant 4 times 10 squared plus 6 times 10 to the first plus 5. So what would octal 465 be, or octal 465? This means 4 times 8 squared plus 6 times 8 to the first plus 5 times 8 to the 0. If you do this calculation, you will get octal 465 equals the number 309.
我们再回到465这个例子，10进制呢大家都懂，如果是8进制呢，它就代表309。
As another example, let's look at octal 31, which is 3 times 8 plus 1, or 25.
咱们再举个例子，8进制的31转换成10进制，这个就是3乘以8再加1等于25。
So, in other words, Oct 31 equals Dec 25.
换句话说呢，就是 OCT 的31等于 DEC 25。
Or, October 31st equals December 25th.
再看看10月31号等于12月25号。
Aha! Halloween equals Christmas.
明白了没有啊？万圣节等于圣诞节。
Holidays are not the time for fighting. It's okay for everyone to have their favorite holiday. But using the mathematics of number bases, we have shown that Halloween equals Christmas. Hopefully you have enjoyed learning with me today. We call this system the decimal or base 10 system. System, system, decimal, decimal. It uses the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 9. Digit, digit. If we were on a planet where people had more or less than 10 fingers, planet, planet. The binary system is easy to use because you only have to represent two symbols. Symbol, symbol. What if we want to convert a number from decimal to binary? Convert, convert. Binary, binary. So computer programmers often work in octal or base 8. Programmer, programmer. Octal, octal. Holidays are not the time for fighting. Fight, fight.
同学们，数学魔法无处不在，每个人也都有自己喜爱的节日。希望今天这一期你不仅学到了关于节日的文化，也学到了有关进位制的数学。今天这一期就到这里，咱们下期再见，再见，
再见。